don't need a lot.
So,
Yeah.
estimate. Parang walang direction yung
Oh no! Hi, I'm Roselle and I'm the food editor of Yummy.ph. This is Cooking with Newbies. We already have many episodes just like this one, so if you don't want to miss a single episode, don't forget to click on our subscribe button. On this episode of Cooking with Newbies, we have Tracy. Tracy, why don't you tell the viewers about yourself?
Hi Marcel, thank you. I'm Tracy and I work for an automotive company in the kitchen. I do some cooking just for the sake of having something to eat. But in terms of the flavors, well, people prefer not to share my food.
They don't eat your food.
Yeah, when they find out that I cook the food, they would just say, oh, thank you.
Well, for this episode, I think you're going to be cooking something that I think a lot of people would actually love to eat.
Finally.
Ready to find out what we're going to make?
Yeah.
All right, what we're going to make today is...
Siomai, oh wow.
Have you ever made siomai before?
No.
Oh, dumplings. But do you like siomai?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so like I said, let's take a look at the recipe so that you know exactly what you're going to be doing. All right, so this is the recipe and we actually already have a video of it made already. So if you want, you can actually watch as the video plays so that you don't miss anything and you can see exactly how the mixture looks like. Okay. You can see how they form everything. Do you know how to handle a knife?
Kinda, yeah.
Okay. Well, you're gonna need some of those knife skills because we need to cut up our jicama, we need to cut up our carrot, we need to cut up our onions. We need 1/3 of a cup of singkamas. So it's 1/3. So as you can see, look how small that is. So we don't need a lot.
So,
yeah.
estimate.
Yes. So this is really where you get to estimate as to how much you're gonna need. So basically, all you're going to do is you're gonna cut off a piece, chop it up into little pieces, and then you're gonna measure it. Just make sure your hands, yes, it's rather hard. There you go. What we wanna do is we wanna cut off all the brown parts. Okay, so what you wanna do, okay, just a tip, yes, always lay it down on the flat side. Because if it's on a flat side, that means it's stable. So what you wanna do is you wanna have your knife against your knuckle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this way, there's nothing to chop off because your fingers are inside.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Yes. The thing with here is also, you have a knife that's actually very sharp. Okay. So you should let the knife do the job for you.
My knife at home is pretty not so sharp. What do you recommend?
I recommend
changing it.
Actually, you don't need to change your knives. What you need to do is you need to learn how to sharpen your own knife. If you have a smaller knife, this is also a good tip for if you want to use a smaller knife, you can use that as well. Here we go. This is what you call a paring knife. It's much smaller. Okay. And just to give you a quick comparison, it's very, very small. It's the baby knife, okay? Much easier, yes?
Yes.
All right, there you go.
But can we also use this to chop? No.
You can, but if you notice that if you're chopping something, you are going to have to use a lot more effort as compared to, say, a bigger knife like this.
So sticks first.
Remember your fingers?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Can I recommend something else as well that I'm seeing? Because I'm seeing that you are just basically pushing the knife through your food. Yeah. So I see that you're starting at the tip of the knife, which is a good thing. Problem is, you're not using the rest of your knife.
Ah, yes. Okay.
But you have all this space here to use. So that means when you're slicing, this one is going to go all the way over there.
Ah, okay.
So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4.
Just like on TV.
Yeah. Right, so we're gonna chop up. Watch your fingers. There you go. Yes.
Slow-mo yung sa akin.
Okay, watch fingers.
Yeah, but this technique is a lot simpler.
So what you want to do is you want to collect all of your food into the center of your chopping board.
Small, medium, large.
Yes. That's okay. It's all gonna turn into a mince in just a few, well, in a minute or so.
Okay.
Here. Yes. And then,
start at the center?
Yeah, you can start at the center. What you want to do is you want to still rock your knife. Okay, so yeah.
Just keep rocking.
Yes, just keep rocking. All right, that's actually pretty good.
This is good.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can now measure.
You can measure it. There you go.
And just scoop it out.
Scoop it out. So
Okay.
we want the same exact amount of carrot as we do our singkamas. What you can do is you can peel off however much that you need, chop that part off, and then chop it up however much you need.
Okay.
So you can...
I do that.
I like how you're measuring it via the measuring cup. But yes, it's more or less around that much.
About
yeah.
this much.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
I
you can, yes, you can
peel
peel
it from
yes.
here. So it should be like...
Yeah.
Something like
There
that.
you go.
Okay.
Yes.
Proper.
Watch
Okay.
your fingers.
As long as I don't chop myself, I guess.
Yes. There you go. So now you have two pieces that have flat sides.
Okay.
Chop into sticks, and then you can chop it into little cubes, and then after that, mince it.
I tend to use my fingernails,
Yes,
which is
that's,
wrong.
That's actually how a lot of people who are not trained slice, or rather use their knife, and that's where sometimes it leads into like little cuts.
I need to jump yung sa akin instead of sliding.
It's okay. It's okay. All right.
Formation?
Yes. Yeah, that's fine. You think you've reached around 1/3?
Let's find
All
out.
right, let's find out.
Looks like it's about 1/3. Kasi tinapon ko yung iba on the side.
Hey, we're very accurate, aren't we? This is a fairly large onion.
Yeah.
So, question is, what if you don't like onions? You can use less. Okay.
Ay, gumagalaw.
Go
Buhay
ahead.
pa siya.
There you go.
Okay.
So it's stable. You can cut it in half. Then we can slice. Yep. Go ahead.
Parang
Yes.
forceful.
It's a large onion, guys. Are we chopping up the entire onion or mincing the entire onion?
Maybe just half. Well, the only reason I just want to use half is because I don't want to cry.
You don't wanna cry. What I do want to say is slice this as thin as you can. Yeah.
So that's the challenge.
Yes. Yep.
Parang
Yes.
walang direction yung
Okay lang yan. Again, practice. You'll get this.
Yeah. Let's do the mincing and move further.
Actually, that's pretty good already.
Yay!
I like how you said, okay.
Yay, finally.
Ayan. We don't really need the white part. So we can
Okay.
actually cut off about 2 inches off. And then, like I said, if you want, you can keep that those ends and raise
It'll
them.
grow.
Yes, it'll grow.
We'll have babies.
Yes. Alright, so there you go.
Oh no, ang laki nun.
Hello.
Siya rin yung nasa arroz caldo. Tama ba?
Yes, this is the green stuff that they put on top. So we have our ground pork. This is about 1 kilo of ground pork.
Okay.
And then all we have to do, as it says here, mix all the ingredients for the filling in a large bowl. So let's start with our singkamas. Add it all in.
Okay, singkamas.
Okay, and then we need our carrots. Here you go.
The 1/3 cup.
Yes.
Okay. Onions that made us cry.
Yes. Nice. Look at that.
Yay! Looks
It's
so
actually-
colorful.
Okay, you know how to break an egg?
With a fork?
Well, you can do that. Little trick that I like to use is always break it on the surface rather than on an edge, because when you use an edge, it has a tendency for the shell to go into the egg rather than staying on the outside. So, and then use a bowl to crack your egg into,
Okay.
because you never know until you break it open if it's bad or good.
Alright.
Oh no! Oh no! Okay, so there you go.
Okay.
Yay!
It's a good egg?
It's a good egg, yes. So add it in, yes. So here we go. So we need 3 tablespoons of sesame oil.
Should I distribute evenly?
You can, yeah. Because we need, we're going to be mixing it up anyway, so that's okay. All right.
Wow, sakto.
Wow, nice. Okay, there we go. And then we need 5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. We need quite a lot. There we go. That's 2.
3, 4.
Can you imagine this is what your siomai has?
Before it gets
Yes,
cooked.
it gets all mixed in and cooked in. All right. We now need some pepper. All right. So we need about a teaspoon.
1 teaspoon and then
Okay.
1 teaspoon of salt.
Okay, here we go.
Rock salt?
Yes.
Is it better than the very fine one?
I don't like to say better, but I do like the texture of rock salt.
Okay.
The nice thing with salt, sugar, and all these granular ingredients is that measuring it is fairly accurate.
Okay.
Even if you scoop it out like this. You don't want to do this like, say, if you are using flour.
Flour,
Because
yes.
flour has a tendency to get packed.
Yes.
All right, time to mix. Ready? That's a lot of pork.
Okay, it's 1 kilo of pork.
Yes, this is what I meant where all that effort is going to come out into a lot of siomai.
Wow, this looks like a big batch. More than one order at
Yes.
the restaurant.
See all the pink of the pork? We don't want it to be pink.
Okay, so it has to be an even color.
Yes,
of...
all around.
Okay, does it look even?
Does it look even? I'm asking you. You're the cook today. Are you happy with the mixture?
Kinda.
Okay, so we're gonna try this to make sure that our seasoning is correct. So we're just gonna do this in a microwave where it's fast and easy. So you just get a little bit. Yeah, that's enough. It's more than enough, actually. Okay, so over there, microwave. So let's put it in there.
Wow, it's hot.
Yes, it's hot. So
But
you
it
have
really
this
cooked
little...
well.
Yeah. All right, here's the test. Time to try it. And then
It
this.
looks like it's fried.
Yeah. Remember
good.
also that pork has fat in it, has natural fat. So in actuality, it left behind a lot of the fat and kind of fried it. How's it taste?
It's good.
Tastes good?
It's actually good as it is.
Well, then there you go. I feel like you can actually just fry this. This stuff is great. And now you know that your food is actually seasoned well. Now it's time to actually start wrapping our siomai.
Yay!
All right. So what I did was I divided our wrappers. The other half is in the freezer because we don't want our wrappers again to get too hard. So as you can see, it's very pliable still at the moment.
May I?
Yes, go ahead.
Ah, yes, it's
Right? Right. And then what you want to do is you want to get some of the meat mixture, about a tablespoon or so. Okay. If you don't have a tablespoon, you can use just a normal,
a regular spoon.
a regular spoon will do fine.
Is this enough?
Yeah. All right. Okay. And then all we want to do is, what I like to do is I like to push the sides in. And then the sides in. Yeah. You can make it smaller. It's fine. Doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, this is homemade stuff. Just push it in. And then what we're going to do later is we're just going to put them all together so that they will form their little square shapes. If you like, we can actually watch how they do it here. So it looks fairly the same, right? You can see it's just forming it into squares.
Yeah. Just
How much siomai can you eat in one order? In one sitting anyway.
in one sitting. Before I could eat about 5.
5? 5 lang? May kanin ba to? Wala. Wala pa.
May kanin.
May kanin na. Kung wala kang kanin, how many can you eat?
Siguro times 2 of
Times
that.
2. Alright, these look good.
Okay.
Do you think we're ready to steam? Yes. Go ahead. Just pour it all in. We'll just add some oil here so you can brush away. Alright, there you go. So we just want to brush it so that it doesn't stick. This just makes sure that it doesn't stick.
Okay.
Alright, so we can put our siomai inside. You can use your hands, just drop it on there. We have tongs over there if you don't want to use your hands. But yeah, you can use
I
your
might
hands.
drop it if I use the
Okay, so yeah, we just want to arrange it all around. So from your experience kanina, natikman mo na siya. Do you think your friends are gonna like this?
I think so.
Is this the first dish that they're gonna actually want to eat?
Yes, they should.
Let's go to 20 minutes and then let's see how it goes. We'll make some more siomai, we'll form some more siomai, and then we'll be back when this is all cooked.
Konti na lang.
Yes, konti na lang. Let's wait for it, Ding. So as soon as that happens, we also have to make our dipping sauce.
Okay.
So we need some calamansi. How much calamansi?
All of it.
All of it as well. Okay, game on. For this one, yes, just slice it like you would normal. So yeah, squeeze it in. Yep. All right,
Let's put this.
are you gonna add it all in? Sure ka, lahat
Maybe half.
Go for it.
Or 3/4.
Okay. All right, and then we have soy sauce. We can add it all in, or some of it in this case. All right, just
Taste test.
see. Yes, taste test always.
Tastes good.
It's enough? All right, so we're ready. Want to open? Just watch out for your face. Yeah.
Yay, success! I think.
The biggest success is going to be determined when you taste it.
Okay.
I have 2 plates of siomai. So yay! Alright, why don't we put this off to the side and then we can try 1 or 2 pieces here.
Do you want to try it too?
Yes! You go first because you gotta try your own food first.
Okay.
Oh, that's a good bite. Good! Yay!
Very.
Is this something that you think your friends are finally gonna say, yes, I want to try that?
Definitely.
There you go.
Like it?
One thing I love about this recipe is that it's a very tender siomai. It's not like super packed, but you can taste everything else. I hope it was easy enough for you to do at home, or at least to recreate at home.
I will, definitely.
Yay!
To
Have
show
fun?
off. Yeah, I had fun.
Yay! We hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you want to see and cook easy recipes just like this one, don't forget to visit yummy.ph and hit our subscribe button on YouTube to find the best recipes online. Thank you so much for being on the show, Tracy. I hope you had fun.
I did.
Yay! Okay, so are you going to make this for, say, Great Big Handaan?
Of course. Of course, with Codigo.
With Codigo, of course.
Newbie.ph.
It is, and you'll find it there all the time.
All right. Thank you so much again.
Thank you as well. Bye!
Bye.